Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another sneaker video. Taking a different angle upon on this one, just want to give you guys a better close-up video. This one is of the Air VaporMax 97, a new sneaker from Nike, which is pretty much a mashup between a VaporMax and a 97. Let's just get right into it. First thing I noticed is it has a quality sticker right here, the quality control sticker, but no stamp. And I don't know if that affects the shoe at all, like if it didn't pass a certain thing, but that's just something I noted. These were picked up from Noter. I got these without paying for shipping and tax-free, which is why I usually choose to go through Noter. I picked up plenty of shoes off them, and they have an actual storefront in Chicago. Like I said, I don't really know what's up with that whole stamp. Usually, I think all my pairs have a stamp in it. This is like the first time that's ever happened to me, so I'm not too sure if that means they didn't pass on something. But I guess with this up-close look, we can kind of see if there's any flaws on the shoe. And first off the bat, these things are really just different. I love the Air Max 97. I love the Air VaporMax. I don't know if I love this. This is just a different look on the shoe. It's kind of bulky. As you can see, like the original 97, the shape, it does seem to have like different padding on the inside. And it does seem to be a little bit wider. I don't know if you can tell from just the video. It does look a little bit wider. What else? It's super light, just like a regular VaporMax. I think they toned down the materials just a bit, just to make it a little bit lighter. But overall, I mean, it's a pretty dope shoe. Overall, I think the shoe is really dope. I love the neon hits. I don't know if they released the Japan 97 lately. I heard they did like last year or the year before. But I guess I didn't have luck, or I don't know what happened, because I would have been all on top of that. But this is just as good. I'm probably going to end up wearing these a lot in the summer. I love the neon hits on it in the black. But like I said, I don't see anything why it wouldn't get a quality control stamp. Maybe it just slipped through. It probably just slipped through. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have ever received a shoe without a quality control stamp on it. I usually get the sticker and the stamp, but this one just had a sticker. So that's kind of strange to me. But it's probably something I'm just trying to look too much into. The suede on it is not good. I'm going to be honest. It's just like nubuck, I guess. Like a really bad nubuck. It doesn't even feel good when you rub your finger on it. The mesh is pretty good. And of course you get your 3M. I'm really looking forward to the OG Silver Bullet VaporMax when those drop. That's going to be the one I'm going for. These are dope. Like I said, I love these. These are really nice. I love the color. But I love the Silver Bullets. That's my favorite 97. I have a pair. I had two pairs, actually. And I can't wait to add the VaporMax one into my rotation. So this was just a little early peek for me. I wanted to see exactly what it's all about. And I love them. They're a little bit different. Like I said, the quality on this isn't very great. But the overall look, it's different. It's like a chunky, weird-looking shoe. And to me, I like different things, so this is pretty coll. As you can see, there's like a big line of glue all on the midsole right there, so that might be why I didn't get that stamp. This one's pretty clean, though. Taking a look at them, it's just your pretty normal VaporMax sole. Nothing really too crazy. And one thing to note is it doesn't have a midsole running through like how the VaporMax Plus does, which I really thought added a bunch of comfort to it. This one is just sitting right on top of it, so it's going to be the same exact feel from the regular VaporMax. Except it's not going to be as, I guess, pliable on the material because it's mesh and suede or nubuck, whatever you want to call it. So it's not going to form to your foot the same way a regular VaporMax would, but I can deal with that. I like the 97 upper. I like the VaporMax sole. So plus, I think it's the same price. Yeah, they both retail for $190, so you can choose between this one, your regular VaporMax, or the VaporMax Plus. They're all $190. For your buck, the VaporMax Plus is probably going to be the best because you're getting that extra midsole added to it. But you know, you can never really go wrong with either. The VaporMax sole is one of my favorite soles that Nike is putting out now, and I'm just very impressed with these. I wish they would have done better on the quality and the craftsmanship, but you know, it's not really up to me, is it? So really cool that I was able to pick these up, and I'm going to be rocking these a ton. Hey, but that is going to be it for this one. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.